How to play Palworld online with friends on Xbox, PC, PS4 or Steam. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video presentation, I'll demonstrate on how to play Palworld online with your friends. The process is quick and straightforward, so follow along as I guide you through joining a multiplayer game in the Palworld. I'll also explain on how to enable crossplay within the game, if it's possible. In order to begin, you need to host a non-dedicated server for your friends to join. Currently, crossplay is only supported between Xbox and PC Game Pass users. Xbox players can play together, but Steam players cannot crossplay. In order to host a game, create a new world that enables the multiplayer and customize the difficulty settings as desired. Once the setup is completed, start the game and obtain the invite code for your friends to join. Pause the game, locate the invite code, and share it with your friends. They can use this code to join your game by selecting Join Multiplayer Game option on the title screen. It is really crucial that the host remains online in the world to keep the server running. If the host disconnects, the server will go offline and all the players will be disconnected. Therefore, ensure that the host has a stable connection and a reliable computer for the best gaming experience. I hope this tutorial helps you to play Palworld online with your friends in various platforms. If you found this video to be helpful, please consider liking and subscribing for more tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching, happy gaming, and see you in the next video.